I Googled the term Impressionism, and it said, a style or movement in painting originating in France in the 1860s, characterized by a concern with depicting the visual impression of the movement, especially in terms of the shifting effect of light and color. It also said, a literary or artistic style that seeks to capture a feeling or experience rather than to achieve accurate depiction. Impressionism was a 19th century art movement characterized by relatively small, thin, yet visible brushstrokes, open composition, emphasis on accurate depiction of light and its changing qualities. There was such detail, small detail, that was appreciated in this style of painting. And I want to, a lot of the times in our lives and in our family, apply that idea of appreciating the small, thin, visible brush strokes, appreciating the small things in life, and focusing in on a lot of those details in life that we sometimes miss from day-to-day activities, and shining a light on them. I hope you enjoy this episode. Thank you for watching. One of my favorite impressions this summer had to be a Pride festival that we attended, and wowie zowie, the colors, the delightful people sprinkled everywhere like glittery confetti. I absolutely loved walking around and seeing and sharing in all the love. Not only is your individuality and special uniqueness welcomed here, it is celebrated and spotlighted. The community really came together with open minds and open arms, wide open arms of love.
You know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. 'Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful. I was restless and stranded. just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
When I was younger, I used to go to thrift stores and find all sorts of treasures. So imagine how impressed I was to finally get back at the hobby again, tip my toes in it, and see this amazing community thrift and tag sale. It was so fun to look for all the wonderful treasures and I couldn't wait to share them with you. In 2024, the world will celebrate the sesquicentennial of the first independent exhibition of the French Impressionists, marking 150 years since the Anonymous Society of Painters, Sculptors, and Engravers, etc., opened in Paris on April 15, 1874. The museum's permanent collection contains many treasures through which to tell the story of Impressionism, how it traveled across the ocean, and how audience reactions shifted over time.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy
In the summer of 1900, a boarding house for artists began operation in the quiet shoreline town of Old Lyme, Connecticut. For the next 2 decades, Miss Florence Griswold's house on Lime Street was home to one of the most famous art colonies in America and critical to the development of American Impressionism. Artists, whom we call American Impressionists, came to Connecticut in significant numbers at the turn of the century. They found in this state a landscape that was intimate, rural, and soothing. Images that spoke of comfort and hope to American artists and their public were still easy to find here in Connecticut in 1900. Meadows, marshes, rocks, trees, rivers, and a sheltered shoreline, as well as historic New England buildings, homely dirt roads, well-worked farmlands, and old-fashioned gardens. Budding American Impressionists, keenly aware from their city life of the onrush of modern times, may have appreciated an intimate countryside even more than their predecessors, knowing as they did that much of it had already disappeared. Ironically, the intrusive technology of rail service, electricity, and plumbing made it easy for them to come and absorb the timeless qualities that remained. For more information, visit FlorenceGriswoldMuseum.org.
slow down. Fireplace, do you know how? Piles of paper, my desk is out. Who will care for the world out? Rest with me, close to curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me, take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Oh, how I love when it rains outside, and it's okay to slow the ride. Discover books I forget about. Who care for the world out? Rest with me, close to curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me, take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Maybe then I can relax. Maybe then I can relax. Bring my head loose in my bed. Oh, just rest with me, close to curtain, brew some herbal tea.